don't want to about Shah Rukh Khan because that's
About
what
Shah
I
Rukh
every
Khan.
time.
Preeti, what do you want to do? About Shah Rukh Khan. This guy from Delhi, right? Bollywood actor. He calls his accuser and tells him, "साले मैं तेरे को आगे मारूंगा." Like imagine, police station से उनको वापस कॉल कर रहा है कि how dare you complain against me, I will again come and beat you up.
It was so cute.
Oh,
It's just like
that's so
he's
cute.
putting a scarf around it and he's smiling at the snowman, and Deepa's not even in the frame. Like it's just him and the snowman, and it was so fucking cute. Okay, I was just like, man, even in this film where he's playing this very grey area problematic character, he's so cute. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of 10 Rupees Ki Pepsi, Hamara Shahrukh Sexy. We are three friends, Diksha, Digvijay and Preeti, who get together once a week to watch a Shah Rukh Khan movie from the archives and then spend some time talking about it, discussing it, simping over Shah Rukh Khan. Reviewing it is, I think, stretching the limits of pushing the limits of what we actually.
But
do
honestly,
here.
we've been reviewing it for the past, I don't know, we do discuss the merits of the movie quite a bit now.
Yeah, that's true. But
Especially when it's a movie we didn't like, then we spend a lot of time just critiquing it.
Yeah,
Listen,
because we don't
I
want to
think,
spend the time. We don't have anything to simp about in those episodes.
Yeah, if it's a good
also,
movie,
I
then there's
think
no review
you
there.
do it more logically than I do. So I don't think I'm reviewing it anymore.
Oh, please, you have like all kinds of critiques for movie which you have like a passionate dislike towards. तब तो मैंने
Yes.
तुम्हारे कोई रोस्टिंग
Cinema
के
big
classes नहीं
brain.
होते. हाँ, you are the one with the most vociferous critiques.
But-
तुम्हारा tirade चलता है 10 minute का. Yeah.
But as someone summarized recently, our personas are Diksha will look at the movie and say logically, this is what's right about it and this is what's wrong. Digvijay will look at the movie and say, these are reasons to not like the movie. Oh, sorry, these are reasons to like the movie,
You like the
even
movie,
if
yeah.
you don't like it. And Preeti will be like, SRK hot, SRK hot.
3 buttons
Yeah.
open.
That is pretty much our personalities on the podcast.
Yeah. Anyway, coming to this week's episode, we have watched Maya Mem Saab, which came out in 1993, and that's what we're going to be talking about. So this week was my turn to pick the movie, and I picked it honestly because I saw some controversy pop up on Twitter about, like, basically news about some past controversy pop up on Twitter about how SRK got into like this whole thing with a journalist who wrote some shit about him and Deepa Sahi, and that, you know, this movie had like a nude scene that got deleted and censored and whatnot. And that's basically all I knew about the movie. I thought it was going to be some, like what Diggy said, B-grade cringe film that, you know, we'll have some fun just making fun of. Like, it'll be so bad that it'll be good, that kind of a film. But I was very, very, very pleasantly surprised that that was not the movie at all. I actually really, really enjoyed the movie. And okay, before I get into the summary, I'm going to say
Plot
that,
cliche.
yeah, if you haven't seen this film, don't listen to the rest of this episode right now. Go watch the film and come back and listen to it later, because I really
Wow.
think that everyone should experience this movie and without
Blank,
biases.
absolutely blank slate.
Yeah, without
absolute blank
knowing,
slate.
like, you know, what you're going to
Yeah.
expect and everything. So, okay. Now, if you're still here, I'll assume you have watched the movie. And I'll get into the summary. So, the movie is about Maya, played by Deepa Sahi, who is this... I don't know. I wouldn't say she's mentally deranged necessarily. I have thoughts about that, which I'll come to later. But basically, she's whimsical. She has like, you know, she wants a very flamboyant life, kind of. And she ends up, you know, getting in this whirlwind romance with Farooq Sheikh. She gets married to him, and then she realizes that her married life is going to be domestic and boring as fuck for the rest of her life, and she's not okay with it. And then, yeah, I think slowly she kind of starts having these extramarital affairs with first kind of Shah Rukh Khan, but that doesn't materialize. And then with Raj Babbar, that ends up materializing. There's like a lot of semi-sensual sexual scenes that kind of take place. And then, yeah, Shah Rukh Khan comes back into the picture. She also has an extramarital affair with him. And yeah, I think the story is mainly about her figuring out what she wants to do, like in her life. I don't know how to explain what the story is about actually. honestly.
I don't think she is trying to figure it out for herself, and ऐसा
I
तो
think
उन्होंने
she is,
नहीं
as in like she is realizing that because she keeps having those dilemmas where she's like, I don't want to do this, but I also want to do this. What should I do? What should I do? And then, she'll go forward with it and she'll fall, deeply, madly, truly in love. And then she realizes the other person doesn't feel the same. And there's also this constant, like, background of some kind of supernatural element almost. And also the mental health thing, like, she's seems to be, I don't know, bipolar or psychotic or something of that sort. Like the movie has that aura about it.
yeah.
But it doesn't it leaves it up to up to your interpretation on whether you think she's mentally ill or whether you think she's just genuinely really like longing for a more interesting life, or whether there's some supernatural element involved. Like it's very open to interpretation, and I thought it was done really well. Like we started watching the movie and within the first 5 minutes all three of us were like, oh my god, the cinematography is so
ये तो
good.
cringe
Oh my
नहीं है.
god, ये तो cringe नहीं है. ये क्या हो रहा है? मतलब it's got this haunting element to it. There is non-linear storytelling happening. It's like, it seems like it's a good movie. Or have we been wrong about this? Have we assumed the wrong
Is
things
this
about it?
Maya
also,
or
like a
is
part
this
of that was
Manjalika?
also like we went in with like rock bottom expectations. Oh, let's just make fun of the movie. Let's just cringe away, because you also know that it's not like Shah Rukh Khan plays a very major role in this movie.
I didn't know
That
about this
I
actually.
also didn't know
That
about
he
that.
doesn't.
Yeah.
I knew that,
So,
like I knew
like-
at least it wasn't one of his like star, like he wasn't the protagonist in this movie. That I knew, but like obviously I thought, as you said, I thought B grade type movie hogi, and of course I'd known about the sex scene for a while. तो मुझे लगा अगर ऐसा scene है तो फिर तो obviously movie में कितने ही
ऐसा scene है मतलब.
अरे तो
1.4
like listen,
billion
Shah Rukh
of
Khan
us.
has an image he's cultivated for years, man. Like
This was
and
before
I
like
think
that
that's
scene,
why he
that
did
image.
it. Yeah,
that
that's
scene,
why he
like
cultivated it, because he was like, ये सब कर लिया अब तो चलो थोड़ा.
हाँ मतलब वो ये 92 में आई थी मूवी शायद, राइट?
No,
एंड
93.
उसके थे आई
93,
थिंक
93.
92
It is
93
93.
ठीक है,
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है. But yeah, and 93 is also when I think Dar came out, Bazigar came out. So, and after that, things just blew up for SRK, and like the trajectory took a very different path. So, like, most of us got to know about him in like late 90s. That's when थोड़ा होश आया कि अच्छा, and early 2000s, and became fans slightly later. And that's how you know Shah Rukh Khan, and then you know about कि अच्छा, oh, this one scene that he's done, just full blown nudity going on in your face. So I thought, yeah, Maya Mansoor must be a B grade movie, or तो क्या ही होगा.
But you know what? I
But
watched that deleted scene. It's not really full-blown nudity right in your face.
Exactly. Yeah,
I mean,
even I did actually. So.
It's
I mean, it's
just
not
like
Shah
a
Rukh Khan's
very,
nudity,
very
but it's
wild sex scene. Like it gets really aggressive, violent. There's blood and all that. So I think that was why it got censored out. I don't think it was the nudity. I think it was just the, I don't
mean, there
know.
was nudity.
No.
Like there
I
was
think
nudity for sure.
there was
There-
nudity.
Unless you saw
That is also the reason.
unless you saw some
but,
other scene, there was like absolute nudity. ठीक
Yeah,
है?
yeah.
She's topless, absolutely
They
there.
and they blurred Shah Rukh Khan's bum, which I'm a little bit pissed about.
प्रीति like एक मौका मिला था जिंदगी में.
और नहीं तो क्या भाई?
Preeti, I told you to have cold water before this podcast.
I have a bottle ready with me, just by the way, guys. But yes, coming back.
Yeah,
So we
I
have
think
established the
that's
three
why it
of
really
us
hits
didn't
you,
watch it.
and honestly, like all of us felt that this is a good movie way before Shah Rukh Khan makes his entry, right? Because that
Yeah.
scene comes much later, and at the first scene, I felt this doesn't look like it's shot so well. The camera work is so nice. The
Yeah.
color palette is so cool. The direction is good, and it has me hooked in like 10 minutes. I want to know what the fuck is going on in this movie. क्या हुआ माया के साथ यार?
And
बताओ
like
मेरे
I
को.
kept waiting for something to happen that would justify how poorly rated this is. Like, I kept waiting for,
Yeah.
oh, this is the cringe moment is gonna come, or like the plot is
Yeah.
gonna slow down or nothing. It was like consistently throughout the movie, I was like, following what was happening. I was hooked. And I because I watched it a second time the next day, which gave me a different perspective on the film, by the way, which I'll talk about later. But I was still hooked. Like I was still watching it with, as much interest as I did the first time when I had already thought it was a good movie. So I also don't think that we had that, anchoring bias ki अच्छा इतनी खराब है कि मतलब थोड़ी सी भी अच्छी थी तो थोड़ी अच्छी लग गई. I genuinely think it's a good film.
No, even I think it's a good film. I'm also hoping to watch it again from a very different lens now.
हाँ, like this is a movie
Also, it
like
won the
you should like have
national
a
award,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, it
it
did,
did.
it did.
It won
Matlab,
a
Obviously,
special
critically
mention.
also it's not that. I mean, commercially didn't do well, but critically it's considered okay. It's good only. I mean, it has its
मतलब
flaws in the
national
end. Like I
award
feel
मिला तो
कि
अच्छी होगी.
I mean
मतलब
that
कुछ तो
doesn't
सोचा
stand true
होगा.
anymore. But
Now
yeah,
नहीं ना, उस
now
time.
nahi.
And also,
But
like the whole cast is all people from like film drama background. Like they're all either National School of Drama alumni or they've started their
dude,
careers in
stellar
theaters.
actors, like
Yeah.
stellar. All the actors are like stalwarts in their in this field. So Shah Rukh Khan at that
It's
time was
like
probably one of the rookies and newbies के चलो उसको भी थोड़ा सिखा देते हैं kind of a thing. But
But it's
yeah,
also like a drama project. Like NSD में कोई movie project किया, उसकी movie बना दी एकदम artsy class, जो भी मतलब that's
Yeah.
kind of the vibe of the movie as
हाँ,
well.
because
The color
because
palettes.
they never dumb it down. They never dumb it down. Like you, मतलब जैसे आजकल I think we had a complaint
At some
about
point you
this
wanted
in one
to
of the
dumb it
movies,
down.
right? नहीं मतलब कोई तो movie थी ना जिसमें we were discussing कि
Donkey.
why did they dumb it down for people? हाँ, Donkey, right? I think. So, but in this, they like Ketan Mehta, right? The director.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. He just expects you to understand, interpret on your own. Whatever is going on in Maya's head,
Yeah.
is it a mental health problem? Is it just because she's rich and bored? Or she just much more excited like खुद सोचो तुम.
And
खुद
it's
जाके पढ़ो
also
उसके बारे में.
Yeah, it's also like
Yeah.
narrated by different people, if you realize, right? Like it's different
Yeah.
people's perspectives,
Point
each
of
of the
view,
events
yeah.
that's happening. So
Yeah.
there is also that element that adds to that whole, open to interpretation thing. Like this is what, somebody felt happened to
They
Maya,
thought
and
Maya
somebody else
thought.
who saw this is what they felt happened to Maya. Like that whole, it was very, very well done, I thought. Like,
Yeah, and that's how
The
they
whole
ended also.
detective
The
thing.
conclusion is also मेरे हिसाब से not defined कि हुआ क्या exactly.
yeah.
Because they added a supernatural element to it right towards the end through a boy's perspective and what was his
Yeah.
feeling towards Maya और क्या था कुछ नहीं explain किया.
Even at the beginning,
So
actually, like when we started watching, we were like, this is giving very like Manjulika vibes. Like, वो उसका father खड़े होके उससे बात कर रहा है, suddenly गिर जाता है, and like, what just happened? Like that was the opening of the film. कि how
yeah.
did that happen?
Yeah, but very, very nicely done. Also, we have already kind of said what our first instincts about the movie are.
Also, I felt
पहले
like
नहीं
this was
देखी.
one of the first times we organically went into it like a conversation rather than saying, okay, Preeti, you say, Diksha, you talk, now I will talk. Maybe this is the lesson for us. This is how we should talk. But
First time तो
but
नहीं होगा.
did we
ठीक है.
cover
I
the whole
think
plot
first
of the
time है.
movie? I think
मतलब
first
मैंने
time.
बहुत हाई लेवल बताया क्योंकि आई अज्यूम कि कोई
Yeah.
सुन रहा है तो देख के आया होगा. मैंने बोला था शुरू में कि देख के आना.
But जितने लोग आ रहे हैं 10-15 उनको भी आधे तू भेज दे वापस के छोड़ रहने तो
मैंने
तुम लोग
ऑलरेडी
जाओ.
जो हमारे मतलब जो स्टॉन्च लिसनर्स हैं वो जो फॉलो करते हैं मैंने उनको ऑलरेडी बोल दिया कि जाके देखो एंड आई थिंक 2-3 of them have already seen the movie also. I got this like I got very
Yay.
similar feedback from them also कि मतलब it's a
Yeah.
very strange film. You don't really know what's happening until the movie's over almost. But it was a good film, like good overall experience. I would love to see like a stage adaptation of this someday if you know
Yeah.
because it's also
I am positively. I think there is. I'm pretty sure there is.
yeah, so the movie
Oh,
itself
because
is
it's written
based
from a book,
on
na?
A book,
Madame
yeah.
Bovary,
Madame
and there are several
Bovary.
adaptations over the years in English and
Yeah.
French. Like what I was
Because
seeing,
that book
because
is
it's a very
considered
old
one of the
movie. Sorry, old
one
book,
of
yeah.
the greatest one of the
Novels of all
supposedly
time.
perfect fiction. Apparently,
Yeah.
that's how they describe it. पता नहीं इससे क्या है उसमें. I haven't read it, but obviously, and I'm pretty sure. I mean, not a Maya Memsab, but there would be adaptations on like play adaptations on the book. I'm
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, but this was a very close. So I read the plot of the book, and this is very close lot of adaptation. Like they didn't change a lot of elements.
I
They
think they added
twisted
in
around.
that whole mental health aspect and the like
Yeah,
either or. You can think of it as she was
yeah,
something was wrong with her, or something was in her brain that was not regular, or there was like a supernatural aspect to it that was definitely added in, because Madame Bovary, the book, seems like literally just someone who marries into a marriage and it's not what she expects, and then she
yeah. Just
yeah.
rich and bored. Yeah,
Oh, I was talking about the second time I watched
But
the movie. That was, I felt like the supernatural element is way more toned down once you know what to expect. Like we were watching it, we had no idea what was happening, and it seemed like ye kya hai? Matlab, is she mad? Is she like, is she possessed? What's happening? But the second time I watched it, it seemed like every song, for example, or not every song, yeah, every song actually is. It's just her being the center of attention, and the guy is just
it's
there.
her, yeah.
Yeah, and the only song where it's the man singing for her is her imagination. Like that whole "Wo Maya hai, kaisi wo Maya hai." It's in 3 chunks. Like there's a Farooq Sheikh section, there's a Shah Rukh section, Raj Babbar section. Each of those is like, it's her imagination. That's not actually happening to her. So it's very, I don't know, almost relatable, like you have a crush on someone and you let your mind run wild with fantasies of how your dates are going to go or something. And that doesn't live up to her expectation. It felt way more normal the second time I
No,
watched it.
yeah.
and no,
But the song Shah Rukh is singing for her when he's threatening to immolate himself if she doesn't come down, that's not her imagination.
No,
That
it was
that
all her
actually happened.
imagination. It didn't actually
that's all
happen.
imagination.
What really?
He
Yeah.
just goes, no? He stalks her and they talk to each other and then उसको बुला लेते हैं किसी काम के लिए and उसको जाना पड़ता है. That's why
Yeah.
the Raj Babbar thing happens, right?
हाँ नहीं,
That whole
that
fire
happens.
thing
Then
and
he
all.
then he comes back.
But the fire thing वाला जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, that's the
हाँ.
imagination only.
Ha, it
Like,
was literally, she felt
I
like
know.
this is somebody who matches my level of passion or whatever, and she starts imagining he is that passionate person that she wanted Farooq Sheikh to be, but he's not. He is also, just another guy. Like that was.
And
I
the
mean, not really. He
parallels
matches her
between
passion quite a bit, but
and
पता नहीं,
madness.
maybe.
We
Yeah.
never got to see it. That's the only problem.
Yeah.
But what I was also saying is कि उनका जो like the Farooq falling in love that happens in the first half when he first 30 minutes when they're telling कि वो उसके घर आता होता है उसके father के लिए and then he comes for her and everything, and there are a lot of these नोक झोंक flirty things that they do कि वो उसके द माया है सॉन्ग में वो उसको घड़ी जब वो ठीक कराता है झुक के मतलब शी इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन हिम टू change the time and all. Is that imagination? That I
No,
don't
that was
remember.
before the song.
But that was before the song. But those conversations and Shahrukh और उसका जो भी थोड़ा conversation होता है after when the song comes is very very similar. Like it's like as
Yeah.
if she is like अच्छा
Exactly.
ये पहले वो था
There's a very
and
clear
then
mirror.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very very similar things, but she imagines them when the songs come in a very different way sometimes. Like when the Shah Rukh Khan song, part of the song comes of Kaisi Maya Hai, he's lying on the puddle, like he's himself like a puddle and she's walking over him with heels. Why would I not imagine this? I agree with her. And at the
So
same
also I think it's how like she imagines something, she wants something, like Dr. Charu, Farooq Sheikh is her first love because they haven't shown anybody before him, right? So we can assume he's her first love, and the romance there and what she expects is a more cutesy, flirtatious romance. He gets that, but then she gets bored of it. Then she wants more. So her imaginations get a little wilder when it comes to Shah Rukh or when it comes to
she has
Raj
more
Babbar.
desires in
Yeah.
general
Yeah,
as well,
and
right?
so
She wants the
that's what
richness. She doesn't want
she
in a
she finds more desires in herself as the previous ones keep getting fulfilled. Like she was with Charu and she realizes, okay, this is not enough for me. Now I want more, and this is my current husband is not going to give that. So obviously, this is now I'm going to turn to crazy Shah Rukh Khan.
Even
That's
with
how it
Raj
is.
मतलब for me
Babbar,
it was
like
the Calcutta scene.
it seemed like he was
Sorry,
just.
go ahead.
Yeah, he looked at her. It was a very lustful look. Like I don't think was in love. He just wanted her. Like he
Yeah,
wanted to
yeah.
sleep with her. And then
Pretty
she
much.
lets that, kind of again permeate her imagination, and she thinks, oh, he's going to be, my Prince Charming, he's going to romance me, he's going to give me the kind of romance that I want, that, this doctor is not giving me. Which is because Charu initially does have that little bit of romantic side to him, but after they get married, it does kind of fizzle out. Like, it's also probably partially because there's that expectation mismatch. Like, she wants something more extravagant than he's willing to offer. And like also probably the factor of the mother-in-law who comes in, and then that whole incident that happens that really puts her into a sort of depressed state, where that guy whose head gets chopped off right in front of her. All of that also probably contributed to how much romance they could actually have in their lives. But yeah, I think I wouldn't say that Charu was not doing enough for her, or like that much was not enough. I think what they had fizzled out, and then I mean, it's kind of normal in most married couples, I guess. But yeah, I guess she wanted more. So
Yeah, and
Yeah.
in so many sad ways, Charu was very, very spineless as a husband,
very
which kind of
Yeah, I think that
they're not
contributed
kind of
more
like,
because it's not. I mean,
yeah.
yeah.
that contributed more to the fact how she got bored of him, because I mean I mean he still loves her. He still, I mean, there are moments he he keeps losing her every time. every time every time
कहाँ खो
when she
गई?
encounters Raj Babbar, Farooq Sheikh just loses her. Okay, कहाँ गई मेरी बीवी? Same thing happens with Shah Rukh Khan. It was an interesting trope to use कि इतना कम ध्यान दे रहा है अपनी बीवी पे. But I think, yeah, that the fact that he ends up being like a spineless husband, especially in front of her mother-in-law, that's what
Yeah.
she realizes. ठीक है, I want a man.
Sasuba.
This guy's obviously not it.
I hated her. And I think like in my head I'm just like कि maybe लोगों को इसलिए भी नहीं अच्छी लगेगी मूवी कि वो बातें तो सही बोल रहे हैं ना वो बंदी की I am a person,
Yeah.
I have an individuality, I will wear what I want, you are nobody to tell me, and she's saying it in clear words. Maybe back in the 90s people didn't want women to be saying these things
I feel like
in
the
as
movie
clear
might be
words. I
set
don't
way
know.
before the 90s, by the way.
Yeah,
But I don't
could
think that
be.
is a
That
very
I'm not
big
sure.
part of why people dislike the movie. It's also because one, it's थोड़ा non-linear सा plot है. It keeps going here and there. See, I'm realizing now that that part was imagination. So as I said, they don't really dumb it down, right, at all. So it obviously sometimes the audience doesn't appreciate that if you expect them to understand everything and you don't explain anything at all. उसमें बिल्कुल भी explain नहीं किया है कि where is the line between reality and fiction in her mind, because they're obviously shown there's something going on in her mind. That's essentially the primary thing that's happening in the movie. Okay, what are her feelings toward these guys and how does she feel towards life? Because she's very bored. She's trying to compensate for the absolute boredom in her life with having affairs with men, as well as buying all these fancy things, turning her house upside down, drowning in debt, trying to fill that void. So a lot of these concepts, I think, felt very alien to a lot of people. And
Yeah.
also, I think a big part of it is
Yeah.
the climax doesn't land. It builds up really where the climax doesn't land. Like just ending it like that, she just died. That's it. Nothing. There's nothing to it.
मतलब
I
मेरे
don't
को ऐसा
agree.
नहीं लगा. I would
Yeah, I
disagree.
didn't
No,
see that.
no,
Okay.
I'm saying that's probably the one of the reasons why the movie also didn't do well
So
is
for the
because
audiences and in
for the
general, you're
audience,
saying,
for
na?
most of the audience, the
Okay.
climax doesn't land. I felt it ended well. I I would have wanted something more to come out of it, right? But that's I think that's one of the reasons. It's the director has let too much to the audience's interpretation and imagination, and the
Hmm.
plot going from future to present to future to present, there's a lot of things going there, multiple storylines, तो वो थोड़ा
Yeah.
confusing हो जाता है
It
क्योंकि
definitely
yeah.
But
it made more sense to me the second time I watched it. Like the first time there was more like that mysterious aura around it कि ये क्या हो रहा है, and
Yeah.
that was more because the storytelling is a little confusing.
Yeah, it's also like Shah Rukh comes once, then leaves, and there's another person there. Then Shah Rukh comes back. So even in the past, the story is being told over the number of years, right? So it's still you have to keep track of that in your mind while people are retelling the story and what's happening in the present. So I think that also led to obviously we've seen a
दिमाग
I've seen
लगाना
the
पड़ रहा
movie
है
which
basically.
is very edited, right? हमने 2 घंटे movie देखी है, so it might be that experience for us, but I'm pretty sure that's how most of the audience also felt के अरे ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है कि आप कुछ भी आटी वाटी बना दो. That's that's the
You know, but funnily, I was talking to
that's
my
the
family
understanding.
about this movie. I said,
Yeah.
matlab, we watched it for the podcast, and like my uncle has seen it. He said, "Oh, that's a really good movie." And I was like, "Whoa, okay." The first person that I met who's seen the movie. I
Yeah.
don't think
I
anyone
think
who's seen the movie would dislike it immediately, I feel.
I think it was when we did Zero, and that I still feel is the worst Shah Rukh movie I ever watched. अभी तक तो. And Maya Memsab came as one of the contenders. When I posted in places, this is probably the worst movie I've watched. A lot of people said, wait till you get to Maya Memsab. And that is such an unfair comparison, yaar.
Yeah, I would put it in the category of like fan in terms of like misunderstood, disliked movies.
In terms of misunderstood and disliked, yeah, probably. In
Yeah.
terms of what the audience expects of cinema at that point and what you deliver, yes, that's a good parallel, I would say, for sure.
Wanted to see more of Shah Rukh throughout, though. I'm pretty sure, like, now we know it's cut out so much. But
Yeah.
throughout, like, first half, okay, Farooq Sheikh and unka romance acha tha, all of that. And then Shah Rukh came being all these cutesy 90s boy, wearing those striped shirts and trying to act all professional, at least look-wise. And then not really, because he's also kind of a stalker to her in the beginning. But the conversations are quite cute. They have a very wit and charm going on, and then he goes away. And then fucking Raj Babbar comes in. He had so much space. He also gets a song. Why? Like, I think that was my, like, probably we're talking about the podcast, so I want to say that my only complaint through the movie was I wanted more Shah Rukh. Because he holds the screen in a way. Like, he acts in a certain way, and he's all of that. Like, he is who he is. So I was just like, ये राज बब्बर को क्यों गाना दे दिया है? ये तो काफी also थोड़ा creepy भी है ना, मतलब उसका जो तरीका था, like the romance between them, like in my head was
It was not
pretty.
romance at all.
Yeah, it was
It
like
was
the
Havas.
blurred lines of
It's just Havas.
but so blurred lines of
Yeah,
that consent,
consent.
right? Like that whole scene, I got like, yeah, like the first time they actually go out and that lake, yeah, जो भी वो मतलब झरना, and then she's saying no, I'll cry, and then he still. पता नहीं, मेरे को तो काफी triggering लगा था वो scene, and then you realize, okay, fine, she's not really sad about it. Now she's going to sing a song with him just being a boy toy.
But that's how I think they
And at the same,
that's how they
yeah,
romanticized this, which is pretty problematic in itself.
Yeah.
के the girl kind of wants it but also doesn't want it, and because the guy is so persistent and so good at what he's doing, she will cave in and fall in love.
And
They play to
also,
that
yeah,
idea,
and
but
at the same time,
very sexually.
when she goes down in her life, she goes to all of them, and nobody really helps her out. And every time she goes to help somebody out, like that, ask for help. Sorry, she asks help for that money from somebody, accountant or somebody.
Yeah,
And he also says
Lala.
he'll only do it if she sleeps with him or something. He tries to force on herself and all that. And then she goes to Raj Babbar, Shah Rukh Khan, all that. No, none of them really come through her. And then kind of this whole realization that, yeah, like people are after your body or something. I don't know. Like some part of that was probably my interpretation of the end in some ways.
no, I agree. Completely agree. Like, I don't think that's what I'm saying. I don't think any of them loved her. She imagined all of that in her head that, like, this person is crazy for me. They were not. They just, yeah.
Yeah, and then I'm just like, no, that's so sad. Show me more nice Shah Rukh, no?
I was just gonna say that, like, we've gone so long talking about this film, we've barely spoken about Shah Rukh Khan, and before I could say it, Preeti delivered. Like, Preeti was just like,
Yeah.
नहीं, मतलब मेरे को तो था कि शाहरुख खान चाहिए मेरे को यार, इतना क्यूट लग रहा था वो, पैंट बंद कर रहा है अपनी और वो डिटेक्टिव आ रहा है और वो गिर जा रहा है, so cute, like the whole scene was so nice. I was like, yes, what more of this?
This is also very different Shah Rukh from what you've seen.
Yeah, very
Yeah, I mean,
different.
as I keep saying, he plays the psychotic lover boy very well. So there are shades of that there as well. But this is very different Shah Rukh, right? And
yeah.
of course, I mean, it's when he was sort of yeah, I think just entered the industry for one of his first few movies, so that's why it seems very fresh and very different. Uske baad probably he had his style sort of fixed, but yeah, and I think everybody in Shah Rukh, because we were looking out for him, like acting was so good, and I don't think. Well, I'll talk about Shah Rukh only. Like I don't think he's missed a step at all throughout. You at every point, like if he was, pouring oil or gas over himself, trying to burn himself, or he was
That
doing the
was so
suit learning.
scary. Like he made it so
So scary.
believable.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was.
so
It was.
believable.
I think he does. I mean, this was again everybody acted well, but I will talk only about Charu. What a damn good job he did throughout.
I'll say
And
one
it's
last
always
thing.
the eyes for him.
before
bolo.
we get into full on simping for Shah Rukh, one last thing I want to say is about how that conflict that Maya had with it was like there were two Mayas within her, one who wanted to go and do all these things without any care for the consequences, and one who was more like no, we should be responsible. And I don't know if that was necessarily an indication that there might be something mentally wrong with her. I think it's also just
Yeah.
like that dilemma between right and wrong that anyone goes through, just depicted in a way that gave it that sort of psychotic or some kind of supernatural aura, which was very interesting. And especially the second
And
time that you watch it, where she's like, Maya mujhe barbaad karna chahti hai, and it's almost like she's now starting to blame herself for her mistakes. And she's like, oh, okay, I fucked around and I'm going to find out. Like, that's, yeah.
and I also really love the fact that it was done by mirror. Like it's like
Oh,
people
that
say, na,
was,
the
yeah.
society will show you a mirror or something, and it's her mirror. Like nobody else's is telling her that in more than like it's like somebody told me recently that sometimes we are so harsh to ourselves. Like nobody else is showing us that harsh criticality, or maybe people are, but it's just us taking it in a way that you feel you're the reason of all this, and then you go like, but also I'm having fun. So like that whole conflict showing like yeah, I really enjoyed the mirror scenes very much because Deepa did such a great job. She's so beautiful in the movie. Like I know I keep talking about Shah Rukh Khan and all of that, and at the same time she was throughout what a queen in everything, especially those mirror scenes for sure.
The
Like,
mirror and the beggar who was singing Son Chidiya,
yeah,
both of
Yeah,
those
Sonu
were
Cheria.
really good plot devices. Like it was in the background, but it was a part of the movie. Like it never felt like it's
Yeah.
being overdone or anything.
I don't want to blah, 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 blah about Shah Rukh Khan because that's
You
what
want
I
to
do
about
every
Shah Rukh Khan?
time.
Preeti, what do you want to do? About Shah Rukh Khan.
Please
I think
tell
you're getting too
everybody
cocky
what's my
about
name.
how much we can edit out now. कुछ भी कर रहे हैं.
I want to
Yeah,
tell
and-
people my Zoom name right now is Preet Simping for Shah. So this is what we are doing now. We are
अच्छा.
into our simps section. So yeah, इतना cute लग रहा था यार शाहरुख
बहुत
खान.
cute लग
Oh
रहा
my
था यार.
God.
Peak 90s cuteness. उसका एकदम like the
But
hair was perfect,
ऐसे
the
झलक
whole
रही थी.
expressions were perfect.
Also one of the youngest, like we've seen Shah Rukh, like because Divana,
Yeah.
Ma'am, so all of these were like youngest Shah Rukh
Early.
you've seen on screen in
Yeah.
movies. I mean, I'm sure TV में पहले है, but this is the youngest you've seen him. I think that
मैंने तो
cuteness
वो
factor
टीवी
also is
वाला
there.
देखा भी नहीं है. तो मुझे तो लगता है
You haven't
wow,
seen
so
Fauji
cute.
and stuff like that. Circus.
थोड़ा
I
बहुत
haven't
देखा है
seen
यार.
Yeah.
थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे आगे पीछे मतलब देखा है but not really.
फिल्म में तो फौजी आता रहता था यार, मैं तो देखता था.
पता नहीं,
अच्छा.
मैंने तो
Like
कभी नहीं
I've
देखा है.
seen Fauji as a kid.
ऐसे रील्स पे देखा है मैंने, क्लिप्स इधर उधर का, that Annie movie and
अच्छा.
yeah.
Like for me, like
But
anything army was very exciting, and with Shah Rukh Khan being a recognizable face by then, I would see बहुत ही बढ़िया है ये तो, very good combination. देखो.
1 second.
हाँ तो मैंने
Anything army was very exciting and you still are going to put Mehuna below kuch kuch hota hai? Okay. Conversation for another day.
We're going
come
to
back.
discuss.
Coming back to Maya Memsab and Shah Rukh Khan and Maya Memsab. He had a lot of very cute moments. Like the entry जैसे करता है वो ऐसे आके पोल से टकरा जाता है, सारे पेपर उड़
यार
जाते
क्या
हैं.
2 बार देखी थी ना हमने, उसके बाद भी मैंने दोबारा से पीछे करके एक बार और देखी थी, कि मेरे को ये तो it was so
Entry.
cute. Oh my
Literally,
God. Like,
while we were watching, it's been like 40 minutes into the movie and Shah Rukh Khan hasn't appeared. And then a wild SRK appears. And we were like, no, 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 no,
and
rewind,
then
watch again, watch again.
Just for the entry, we rewatched it.
and then the way, I think the way they both look at each other, like वो छज्जे छज्जे का प्यार kind of thing they try to show somewhere बीच बीच में,
कौन
और
सा प्यार
छज्जे
प्रीति?
छज्जे छज्जे
You want to translate it for people? चचे चचे का प्यार क्या होता है?
This is,
Possibly
I think
Pratik
it's
sir as well.
fairly, I mean, understandable. Like मेरे सामने
सबको
वाली
पता चल
खिड़की
जाता है,
अच्छा.
चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है, which is माया मेम साहब, कैसी माया है. But yes, Shahrukh was too, like, the way they look at each other and the way he commands the screen around
Oh,
her,
yes.
like it's so beautiful. Like it felt so natural कि कोई effort ही नहीं लग रहा था. मतलब ऐसे मेरे को लग रहा था when they were having that dialogue between the two of them, even though Farooq also is a very good, great actor, and they do it also pretty nicely in the first few meetings that they have. But the whole Shah Rukh wala, it was,
Banter.
yeah, very, very, yeah, that banter was like where are the boys who
It was,
wear nice
yeah,
striped
so
shirts
fun,
and
dude. It was just like they were so effortlessly witty and flirty. Like whoever wrote that dialogue was 10 on 10. I mean, full marks.
मतलब I was fully simping for him in that moment. Like, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. वापस आ जाओ, तुम वहां क्यों जा रहे हो? वापस ये शहर छोड़ के वापस क्यों जा रहे हो? आ जाओ, शहर में रह लो, कोई बात नहीं. And even when he's trying to lie, and then like the whole detective scenes that there are between them, it's done very, very nicely. And the way he says कि आपको शर्म नहीं आती ऐसी बातें बोलते हुए, उन माया जी के बारे में बोलते हुए, वो मुझसे छोटी है, नहीं, वो बोलता है वो शादीशुदा है, फिर बोलता है तो वो मुझसे बड़ी है, तो like so I was like, yes, I agree. So all of that, like, yeah, I think I really wanted more of
More
him
of
throughout
him.
the movie. Like,
Maybe
it
we
didn't
should,
feel
we should
like
find the uncut version of this. कहीं तो
I have
होगा.
to.
मैंने
अभी
I
पर
mean,
search
नहीं
किया
है
था.
यार,
Second
नहीं है,
time
नहीं
watch
है.
करने के पहले I checked. I didn't
मतलब
find
कहीं
anything
legally
that
नहीं
had
मिलेगा
more.
आपको. ऐसा
Yeah,
इलीगली भी
legally
देख लिया हम, नहीं है.
torrents पे देख लिया गया. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
नहीं है यार. Like Shah Rukh Khan has had a very big hold on it, by the way. Like that's
Yeah,
what the
Red Chillies
PR and everyone
acquired
was reading
the.
about. Yeah, they
हाँ,
got the
yeah, I'm pretty
rights
sure.
to it, and तो जो illegal, there is nothing you can't find. Like जो भी थोड़ा बहुत YouTube पे वो भी थोड़ा blurred out सा और all of that है. उसमें भी एकदम गंदी सी आवाज
Yeah,
में
I'm
लोग
just saying.
बोलते रहते हैं. But yeah.
वो तो कैमरा प्रिंट है, बट कहीं तो होगा ना यार वर्जन which is like but actually
रेड चिलीज के पास
किसने एफर्ट
है,
मारा
मुझे
होगा.
नौकरी दे दो रेड चिलीज.
Official simper.
Yeah, that's true. Official
He
simper.
can be your official simper.
Social media manager प्रीति.
मैं थर्स्ट कर रही होंगी सिम्प से ज्यादा तो, but yes, but you know, we've seen Shah Rukh so much, and at the same time, when I was watching Maya Meem Saab, I don't think I was wanting him more because I know this is the Shah Rukh Khan. I was wanting more the actor or like the personality who was in the movie.
हाँ,
So
the
like
character.
the
You want to
bias,
see more of the character.
yeah,
के
Because,
yeah,
and also I
how
feel
does he
like
respond to the situations?
at some point I felt like the script didn't do justice to the character that they created
yeah,
for him, because they made him out to be like this really passionate and, you know, doesn't care about anything, willing to go out of his way to sleep with like an older married woman. He seems like he genuinely is in love with her, and, you know, he's jealous of other
Yeah.
men that she's been with. But then they go to that club scene and his friends are
party.
hitting on
That's
her and he doesn't do anything, which I felt like I agreed with Maya in that moment. It felt out of character for the character that they created. Like it felt like he should have become a lot more mad and violent and, you know, beaten the shit out of this. I felt like that was what was coming, and even I was a little disappointed
Yeah.
that it didn't happen.
I think, but
yeah, it didn't.
a concurrent theme throughout the movie is Maya's disappointment in life and men, right? So I think that they were playing to that, and despite
Yeah.
everything that Shah Rukh was giving her, he still did not live up to what she was expecting. She was expecting this guy would passionately enter the battle for her and defend her honor, but he's the kind of guy कि नहीं नहीं, let's just get away from her. But what follows after that is also
That
very
was
weird,
yeah,
right? It
all
gets
the
very
passion came out in the wrong ways.
all the wrong way where it just I don't have the right words to describe it, so
Yeah.
I'll leave it to you guys.
I mean, I will
But
describe it in 2 words: domestic violence. And anyway,
and the abuse.
So
But
triggering, yeah. So पता मैं ही बोलने वाली थी कि सॉरी मैं अपने ही दिमाग में क्यों चली गई थी and कि the Deepa is 31 when the movie came out.
yeah,
I am 31 right now, and I was through the movie. I was like, हाँ, I think ये तो मैं ही हूँ थोड़ा सा तो psychotic भी पता नहीं हो सकती है, वो किसी और से पूछना पड़ेगा. Chaotic नहीं chaotic तो मैं हुई. लेकिन at the same time, I think what I was getting at is कि throughout the movie, I was like, oh shit, she falls for men. They disappoint her when she goes to the.
go on, go on.
ये मेरे पैदा होने से पहले इन्होंने फ्यूचर कैसे लिख दिया मेरा.
I mean, I am no one to say because zero experiences matter, but I'm sure a lot of women will just agree with this that this same chronology ke, meet men, they disappoint. So very
या
similar.
मेरे को भी पोषण ढूंढना पड़ेगा कोई जिससे मेरे अंदर की आत्मा सही हो जाएगी अगर मेरा दिल साफ है तो. I don't know. That was, by the way, the reason they had this whole potion, no? That they can get one wish, whatever that wish is, after
If they
drinking
are pure
it,
of heart,
if
you
they're
get
pure
one
of
wish.
heart.
Yeah.
Yeah. And probably that's, I don't know, if she dies in that spiritual way, whatever, not spiritual, क्या होगा वो mythology, क्या
Supernatural
बोलेंगे
way.
इसको? Supernatural, sorry,
Supernatural
thank
way.
you.
I mean, that's a good point. Maybe she just
Supernatural
wants to
way.
be free of all of this. She's so tormented by her own life and by her
Yeah.
conflicting desires and personalities, and by being let down by the different men in her life and the debt now that she's under. She just wants to be free of it somehow, and that comes true in the form of just, vanishing into
Yeah, going
thinness,
away because
dying or
she
whatever.
has,
Yeah.
or she could have just wanted to for her problems to go away,
Yeah, I'm
and
just saying
that
she
didn't
wanted the
happen
problems to
because
go away.
उसका pure heart नहीं था, इसलिए वो मर गई. मतलब it could
Pure heart
be.
तो definitely नहीं था. I mean, she was cheating on her husband left, right, and center.
So yeah,
Yeah.
but very very interesting interpretations are there, and I felt like, oh shit, Maya तो मैं हूँ.
Guys, do you want to discuss the controversy? I think there's people who don't know about it. It's a very interesting tidbit story about this movie.
I read
yeah,
the
why don't you
chapter,
share
okay? I
the
have the
story?
book, by the way.
So essentially, what in brief what happened? So there's a very explicit sex scene in the movie, which has been obviously cut out. It didn't make it into the prints at all. And right now, if you search for it, you will end up in all kinds of different porn sites, right? So it's not on any legit YouTube sort of a channel. But anyway, at that point, there's a story that came out somewhere in 92, 93 in Cineblitz magazine, wherein it said that in preparation for this scene between Deepa Shahi and Shah Rukh Khan, the director Ketan Mehta asked them to
Husband.
spend. I
Yeah,
was
who's
coming to
also
that with the
her
punchline,
husband.
Preeti, but
Oh,
okay.
sorry.
Building that with the punchline. Kya yaar? Anyways, so Ketan Mehta, who is also Deepa Shahi's husband, and they've been married for about, I don't know, around 10 years at this point. He asks her and Shah Rukh to spend a night together before the scene was shot to get comfortable with each other. And the next day, Preeti इतना excited हो रही है. अरे यार.
Comfortable. I'm like, ऐसे comfortable with her. Of
These are all
course,
I
that's
mean,
what.
if you
by the way. I mean,
these are all allegations, right?
yeah,
These are
Shah
all
Rukh and
of
Deepa
course,
have both categorically denied that anything like
Yeah.
that happened.
So supposedly what happened the next day, they shot the scene, which could be true in the fact that they did shoot the scene in that fashion. It was only Ketan Mehta, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepa Shahi, and the cinematographer. The director of photography. Just these four people. That's how they shot the scene because सबको नहीं दिखाना यार सब कुछ. So that story came out. Shah Rukh read it and he goes into a ballistic rage. Right? He's like, "What nonsense is this?" He's raging and he tries to find out which reporter was this, and I'm forgetting the reporter's name. He thinks he has some reason to believe that
He's
this is this
pretty
reporter.
sure कि वो है ही है.
He's
They
pretty
meet at
sure
a
he's that
party or
reporter, and
something.
he finally sort of runs into him on the street or find him somewhere, and they get violent. And Shahrukh, being the Delhi guy he is, abuses him left, right, and center. माँ बहन एक कर देता है, and gets very violent. Tells him तेरे घर पे आके मारूंगा तेरे को, all of that. And उसके घर पहुंच भी जाता है. And then in front of his parents, Shahrukh is, and all of this is true. The article, all of this is true. Like whether what happened in the article is not, but these are all true incidents. He reaches his house, abuses him there, tells him, threatens him, yeah, I will beat the hell out of you. And therefore, the guy goes to the police station and files a complaint against Shah Rukh Khan. And then Shah Rukh is taken to Bandra police station by the police. This is all true.
This is
And
the
by this
boss
time,
move.
this is the bad boss moment, right? So, they take him to Bandra police station. And by that time, Shah Rukh has had quite a few movies come out. This is 93, well, is after first four, Kabhi Na, all of these movies have come out. So he's a known face by now. So police people obviously recognize Shah Rukh Khan, ask for autographs, and then allow him that
While
for
he's
phone
arrested.
He gets one
While
phone
he's
call,
arrested.
like where
He gets one
ideally,
phone
you know,
call.
you call your
And
parents or you call your lawyer
yeah,
or
or
your
your
lawyer
lawyer,
and say
man, or
like,
your
you know,
friend कि
please
मुझे
come
बाहर
and
निकाल
help
दो.
me, get me out of here.
This guy from Delhi, right? Bollywood actor, he calls his accuser and tells him, साले मैं तेरे को आगे मारूंगा. Like imagine, police station से वो वापस call कर रहा है कि how dare you complain against me, I will again come and beat you up. No moral
Iconic
judgments on
behavior.
what iconic, but what a badass moment, yeah.
I think this is universally a simp moment for all of us. Not in the movie, out of the movie, but related to the movie.
Dude, I mean, if I mean, considering what he wrote, what came out in the article wasn't true, and Shah Rukh has enough reason to believe that is the author, his anger is justified.
Completely justified, yeah.
जाके उसको मार रहा है वार नहीं कर रहा, I don't know about that, but his anger is completely justified. कि how dare you write such a scathing article about me? अगर ये सब नहीं हुआ, which I
And actually,
personally believe नहीं हुआ होगा.
I also don't
which
think
he says, which he doesn't really says कि how are you writing something about me? He says, how are you writing something about this very respected woman I've worked with? Like he
Details.
probably is
And
cocky
so-
about or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
So he like in a way like हाँ मेरे को मेरा अगर मैंने किसी के साथ काम किया है how dare you write something about that lady, because in more ways than not it will affect her more than probably
Yeah.
me. I don't know, maybe he didn't think of it in that detail and I'm justifying because he's my Shah Rukh Khan, but
Oh, acha, is this your interpretation or is this what you read?
no, the he said that how dare you say something like this
Acha, okay.
about this
Cool,
lady,
cool.
da, 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 da.
Yeah. No, perfect. Yeah.
So, and at the same time, you know, this is the bad boy Shah Rukh Khan which is being talked about, which in a way I respect him for of that. But when he later finds out that
Yeah.
this guy didn't really write it, then
Yeah.
he was so apologetic. He went to the parents, he apologized with them. He also did shoots with him so that, like, you know, all of this in some ways could be shoots with him is not something. I don't know, you guys are smiling like I said it.
No, I was smiling because I was like, Preeti is like, if Shah Rukh Khan goes and, you know, insults the crap out of this guy and beats him up, oh, mera Shah Rukh, best. And if he goes and apologizes to the same person for doing this, oh, mera Shah Rukh, best.
Mera Shah Rukh best. any reason to simp for him? Yeah.
But yeah, I went through the chapter that Anupama wrote also. So yes, very
Acha.
very well spent 10 minutes. But now, do we do we now want to go to the quiz, which I'm so dreading? Because
Oh, we did have one
rating.
simp moment,
Rating.
specific simp moment I wanted to
sorry.
share, which is
Yeah, go ahead.
the वो गाने के time पे when he's playing with that snowman. It was so cute.
Oh,
It's just like
that's so
he's
cute.
putting a
Yeah.
scarf around it and he's smiling at the snowman, and Deepa's not even in the frame. Like it's just him and the snowman. And it was so fucking cute. Okay, I was just like, man, even in this film where he's playing this very gray area problematic character, he's so cute. Like,
Snowman को scarf
हाँ.
पहना रहा है. Hi, Meera Shah Rukh cute. Do you have any simp moment specific? Sorry, I just forgot कि अपन ने
I mean, we
like
collectively
हमने बोला.
did sim moments, but I think मेरा sim moment होता है when in the Maya's imagination, Shah Rukh is about to burn himself, pouring that gas on himself, and then he's waving that mashal around, and he's laughing, right? He's laughing while he's doing that, smiling and looking at her, and
Diggy के
it's
हमेशा
so well
ऐसे
done.
fucked up moments होते हैं sense करने के लिए.
मैं भी
Because
like,
I'm amazed. I'm just amazed at the craft of the person. है कि कितना like convincingly he's doing that. He's
मेरे को डर लग गया था उस मोमेंट में.
Yeah,
Diggy's
I
like,
mean, it's
वो
very
accept कर रहा
convincing
था कि
for
वो अपने
sure.
आप को जलाने वाला.
Yeah, me
yeah, so
and
it's
Priti
so
are like, oh my
convincing,
god,
right? That's why.
this is so fucked up, and Diggy's like, वाह क्या actor है.
That's true, man. I mean, he did a damn good job in that particular scene. Right? Or both of you were scared, no? So
Yeah.
that's why I'm simping after him. Look at that. It's so well done. But yeah, I think that was one of my favorite moments from the movie.
Okay, quick ratings. I will definitely watch again, and
Yeah.
I don't think Shah Rukh Khan is the reason I'll watch again. So yeah, even if there's any other actor in
Yeah.
that role, I would watch again. And I would say like 4.5. Good movie.
Oh, we rating that
Yeah.
high.
मतलब मेरे को तो अच्छी लगी.
Yeah.
I also would rate
I think-
it 4. And same thing कि not sure शाहरुख नहीं होता तो भी इतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But yes, in the movie I wanted to see more of Shahrukh, so can't be objective.
Also,
So, yeah,
because
but
of the
4.5
reason
may
that we're
watch.
doing the podcast is Shah Rukh. So you want to see more of Shah Rukh. Yeah.
They definitely
Diggy, you?
inflated his presence after his like superstardom because the poster and all changed to just his face and like Maya's in one corner and
course.
she's the main character. She's literally living her main character moment throughout the film.
Yeah.
नाम मूवी का माया मेम साहब है भाई.
Yeah.
उसको पीछे रखती है, हत्ती हो गई. But yes. Diggy go. Your
Same here.
rating.
I would definitely watch the movie again, irrespective of Shah Rukh being there or not, because again, this movie is all its parts coming together and making a very good movie. Shah Rukh plays a not major part, but not like it's not very minor, but not the most major part as well. Rating, yeah, 3.5, I guess. It was just because how intrigued I was throughout the movie. कि क्या चल रहा है यार? I really want to know more. Like, what's going on with Maya? And so I didn't feel throughout कि supernatural है, but I definitely felt कि there's some suspense building around. Supernatural तो एकदम last में जाके आया, but definitely it holds your attention throughout. It doesn't let up. That is
The
my
music-
barometer for every movie. Like if you can hold my attention for those 2/3 hours, it's a good movie. Irrespective of उसमें कितना mindlessness है, क्या action, कैसे unrealistic action है, all that bullshit is fine. अगर 2 घंटे मैंने देख ली चुपचाप movie तो it's a good sure.
और वो अगर मशाल लेके अपने आप को जलाने की कोशिश कर रहा है convincingly तो वाह.
With those eyes, yeah, with those eyes,
Those
Shah Rukh's eyes, mad. Yeah.
And I do think the movie helped of course we didn't really discuss the music in detail, but
Music
the
helped
BGM
the
and the
movie.
music in general.
The
Yeah,
movie
like,
helps the movie.
sorry. Yeah, but हाँ,
Yeah, music was
अच्छा
really
लगा.
good. Lata Mangeshkar sang, I think, most of the songs, and like I really liked
Yeah.
that one. The खुद से बातें कर रही हूँ, that song was very nice. Even the वो कैसी माया है, really good music all throughout, and nothing that I'd
Okay.
heard before. So it was like all no
हाँ,
nostalgia
और
value
yeah,
in the song. It
that's
was,
why it's surprising कि पहली बार गाना सुन रहा
yeah.
हूँ and I'm really liking it throughout. I don't know, man. Very less complaints, rather just like I felt climax. They could have slightly landed it better, but otherwise, and also the edits made sort of soured the experience because वो इतनी उन्होंने cut कर दी है Netflix पे movie कि यार suddenly क्या हुआ? Like what happened? So the flow breaks, and that's not a complaint against the movie at all. That's just our experience of it.
Cool. Let's jump into the quiz.
Let's jump into the quiz.
I
Disha,
have
please ज़्यादा
tried
मुश्किल quiz
this
नहीं.
time to have a mix of easy and difficult questions.
Otherwise, it'll be just
थोड़ी
silences
देर
all
पहले
over.
बोली,
Yeah.
थोड़ी देर पहले बोली थी मैंने difficult बनाया guys, मैंने
मैंने
difficult बनाया.
ऐसे नहीं बोला. मैंने बोला कि I think it might have gotten too difficult because we gave a week's gap. If we had done it last Sunday, it would have been easier. I think that was what I was saying. I was not saying मैंने
Okay.
difficult बनाया है. मैं बहुत कोशिश करके.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Use your name for your buzzer. First question.
Yeah.
What is Maya's daughter's name? Guys, come
Again.
on.
I
It's literally so easy. It rhymes with her name.
अरे यार
Bye.
Preeti?
Yeah, Preeti.
बोलो.
Is it Saya?
No.
Is it Kaya?
It's very
Diggy?
good.
Is it Chaya?
हाँ, Diggy बोलो.
Is it Chaya?
Yeah, it is Chaya. They say it so many times in the movie, guys. Come on. She's like
अरे
Maya
ठीक
ki
है यार.
Chaya. And then वो मतलब when she gets lost, she's like Chaya kahan hai, Chaya kahan hai. She's
Chaya
like
kahan hai,
looking
Chaya
for Chaya.
हाँ, यार
Come
ठीक
on.
है ना. These are
I
the.
was close वैसे. I
Hey,
said
you are the
Saya
one who
because
don't remember names from movies at all.
But
ठीक
this
है,
one,
तुम्हें
it
main
had
character के
relevance.
main
She's
character
like Maya ki
main
Chaya.
character के नाम नहीं याद रहते हैं तुम्हें.
But this one was referenced so many times. Oh my god, I thought this was one of the easy questions. Now I'm second guessing everything. Okay.
It's also been a week, so it's okay. Had we like done the quiz right
Diggy?
after, it would have been fine.
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के बाद दीक्षा ये बोलने वाली है, क्या तुम मेरा क्विज खराब कर रहे हो फिर से?
Okay, this time, this one, I think both of you should get this. But name all the men in Maya's life and who played them.
प्रीति?
Oh,
Preeti.
sorry, I'm supposed to raise hand. I'm
Yeah.
supposed to say my name.
Name-
Sorry,
name
हाथ
in the
raise कर रहा हूँ
sense-
यार.
कैरेक्टर्स नेम या
Character
फिर
Yeah,
मतलब
characters
actors name?
Actors names तो हमने काफी डिस्कस कर लिया, but हाँ, characters names बता दो.
Okay. Farooq is Farooq Sheikh is the husband, first guy. His
नाम
name
बताओ ना
is
उसका.
Mr. Charu. Mr. Charu Das. Okay, he's
First
Das
name
of
काफी
Maya.
है. First name काफी है.
अरे यार, ये तो मुझे आता है question.
Lalit is played by Shah Rukh Khan. राज बब्बर का नाम क्या था?
I know if she doesn't get it, can I get all the points?
Yeah, you will, because
Just
this
like
is an all or
just like
nothing point.
Arpit's quiz.
All or nothing? नहीं, रुद्रा.
Yes, correct. ठीक है. So Preeti is at
Sorry,
1 and
Diggy.
Diggy is at 1. अब मेरे बाकी के questions मेरे हिसाब से थोड़े medium difficulty level के थे, शायद tough लग सकते हैं.
अरे
So
यार,
the
एक
third
क्विज़र को बिठा के
question.
रखते हैं इधर.
Okay, Ketan Mehta, Deepa Sai and SRK have made one more film. What is it?
प्रीति,
हाँ,
ये
Preeti
है
बोलो.
दिल लगी.
गलत. That's wrong.
ये है इंडिया, something ये है हमारा
You-
इंडिया.
ये-
Like,
Diggy, you want to go?
Uh,
I'll give you
I
one
don't know,
chance.
ये
If you don't get it, then I'll give it back to Preeti.
ये इंडिया है डार्लिंग.
Yeah, ठीक है, I'll give it to you. It's Oh Darling, ये है इंडिया.
ओ डार्लिंग ये इंडिया.
प्रीति तुम्हारा तो बिल्कुल ही गलत है. ये है दिल की.
ये दिल लगी.
Okay.
darling, no, something, darling, ये
You
इंडिया,
said
something
दिल
ऐसा,
की.
no?
You said दिल लगी.
उसके बाद मैंने बोला
उसके बाद
इंडिया
तुम्हारा
वाला,
चांस
तुमने
नहीं था.
प्रीति ऐसे 3 ट्राई नहीं मिलते ना एक बजर पे.
ठीक. Fine, guys.
Okay. Fourth question. What are SRK and Raj Babbar's professions?
राजबाब wait.
Your name. Say your name.
Diggy, wait, can we like if we get like before buzzing, do we get
Yeah,
partial
this one
points
I'll
if I
give
say
you
one?
one for each.
Okay. So Diggy, because I'm buzzing. Raj Babbar is a Kuvar, a prince.
Correct.
Like
Yeah.
he's a prince. Kuvar bolte hain, because that's what I remembered. And Shah Rukh Khan is he an engineer?
No. But I'll give you one
I
point
don't
for the
remember.
Kuvar. Preeti, you want to try
Yeah,
to guess
thanks.
SRK's career?
He's a businessman because if he goes to different cities for a business or something, like something, उसका काम खराब हो जाता है. Am I close?
Kind of. I'll give you maybe half points for
point.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a banker.
What is?
Yeah. So
Oh,
I mean, he
yes,
is
he's a
like
banker.
in business, but
I mean,
specifically in
I
banking.
wouldn't have given even half a point because they're not at all
Because you
close.
Yeah.
don't like me.
You're at 3
Industrialist and
and
banker has no
Preeti
relevance
is at
together.
1.5. So
You
okay.
are at 3. You are at 3, ना?
ठीक है,
I
कम से
don't
कम
know.
तुम
Why
लोग
are you
इस
being
quiz
so-
में points तो score कर रहे हो.
I'm at 3. Right, Diksha?
Yeah, I have 2 more questions. So this one.
Okay.
There are 2 movies playing at the cinema when Farooq Sheikh and Deepa Sai go. Like name any one of the movies and you get a point. If you name both, you get 2 points.
No idea. 0. मुझे बिल्कुल तुम ले लो, दोनों पॉइंट ले लो अगर तुम्हें आता है तो.
घंटा नहीं याद मेरे को।
I can give you a hint.
Ghatan.
So, this is what gave me the clue that the movie is based in the 1950s because both these movies are from the 1950s.
ओ बाबा रे, मुझे 1950 की एक मूवी का नाम नहीं याद होगा.
कागज के फूल तो 1950 नहीं है ना?
वो नहीं पता मुझे, but ठीक है. Let's skip this one. The movies were Avara and Shri 420.
Yeah, no clue
Oh,
भाई.
okay.
कभी नहीं
Yeah,
कभी नहीं आ
yeah.
सकता था ये.
Yeah, I noticed the 420 in the background, so that's why I went and checked ki kaun si movie thi, and then I was like, oh, maybe I can
Okay.
ask this. It's like the Thai question. Nobody remembers it.
There was a song also playing in the पीछे in the background for 2 minutes or so. पुराना कोई, but ठीक है ना, आगे चलते हैं.
Okay.
You
Last
can't
question.
generate questions for yourself.
Last question.
No,
ये
मुझे
वाला
याद नहीं
actually
answers.
मेरे को मान्या ने ये question दिया है, so it's
Yeah.
an indication for the level of the quiz next week maybe. But
Okay.
and this is guessable, okay, even if you don't remember it. So when Shah Rukh came to visit Deepa Sahi in the second half, she was reading a book which she dropped and he picked
Diggy.
up. Yeah, Diggy, which book was it?
Finished. She was reading a book when Shah Rukh came. Which book was it? That's the
Yeah,
question. In case
that's
people
the
think
question.
that's Madam Bovary.
Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
so Diggy wins the quiz. 4 points to 1.5.
Hey, we did well, yaar. I think we completely blanked out on only just like 2 questions which were reasonably
Yeah.
hard.
Dude, I
So I
think
think
Chaya
this
was easy, yaar. Come on.
तो आ गया ना वो, उसने साया वाया बोला, मुझे लगा अब क्या ही है, मैं
That's
I'm doing
after I gave
ABC
the
in my head.
hint that it
पाया नहीं हो
rhymes.
सकता,
It rhymes with her
काया
name.
नहीं हो सकता, डाया नहीं हो सकता, फाया नहीं हो सकता, नया नहीं हो सकता, छाया ही. That's what I'm doing in my head. And Preeti eliminated साया, तो like चलो ठीक है फिर छाया.
कोई
Yeah.
नहीं. Yeah, good Diggy. Go ahead.
Woohoo!
This is
So
your
genuine.
moment.
Look
Living
at
up
her
to my
face.
quiz-winning reputation from
Preeti
SRK
के
quiz
एकदम
days.
cheekbones जैसे हो जाते हैं ना, and she's like disappointed.
Yeah, man, it's really reflects on her face.
मेरे को पोकर खेलना पड़ेगा, पोकर सीखना पड़ेगा, so that मैं ऐसे.
नहीं, you would be horrible in it. बहुत expressive हो यार.
What the
बहुत
fuck? ठीक है. अच्छा
It's
ठीक
just
है, okay.
because you're such an expressive person. It's a compliment.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. You won.
Yeah.
Be happy. Yay! Drum roll.
On that note, next week
that-
we are doing a guest episode in which hopefully Preeti gets bullied less because we have somebody who is a big fan of Preeti joining us on the podcast. And we are watching Dawn, and the guest is Manya, who's responsible for the last question of today's quiz. And she's
Yeah.
my friend from college. So see you next week. If you want to watch Dawn in preparation, please do. Thanks
It's
for
always a good
listening.
movie to watch. Like Dawn is always a good rewatch. So just any excuse. Yeah.
Who does?
Okay.
Cool. Dawn making a cameo in Maya Mensa.
So many movies made
Yeah.
cameos in Maya Meme Sab. We talked about Kuch Kuch Hota Hai Maina and also Donkey, which we have mentioned way too many times on this podcast. by the way.
It's also his most recent movie. So I mean,
Yeah.
recency bias. Yeah. Till his new movie comes out, King. Cool.
Hello guys.
Chalo,
See you
okay,
soon.
bye,
Thank you for
guys.
listening to us.
Thank you.
Bye.